sa Matthew 5:13 ko mga kapatid. Matthew 5:13 mga kapatid. Ye are the salt of the earth, but it does not have lost its savor. Wherewith shall it be salted? It is thenceforth good for nothing, but to be cast out and to be trodden under the foot of men. Tuloy po natin mga kapatid, 14 hanggang 16 na ito. Ye are the light of the world, a city that set on a hill cannot be hid. 15 po natin, neither do men light a candle, but put under the washer, but a candlestick, and it giveth light unto all that are in the house. 16 po mga kapatid, let your light so shine before men that they may see your good works and glorify your Father which in heaven. Bakit Tagalog po mga kapatid?